Got the container in today. This load's going to go to Budapest, Hungary. In this load, we got old Fargo's truck. These vehicles came out of Crosby, North Dakota. I'm going to take that one off on top off and keep it for a while. There's an old Fordson back there. That's going to go on another load. And back here we got a old Chrysler. I'm going to set that on top there and replace it with the one that's on top there. It's a little in better condition. Also in this load, we got old International Titan. This one came out of Central Ohio. There's no serial number up on it. Also in this load, we're going to have another, I believe it's Chrysler. Neat thing about these old trucks, they got aluminum license plates. I'm sorry, this one's the Dodge Brothers. Got the 1928 Fargo's truck in. Got a platform up here we're going to set in our vehicle. There's the canopy for the truck. Old Chrysler. Set it up on top of these frames. Too, we didn't have quite enough space to sit on top of that frame. Got her in. Last time this one was titled was 1962. Kind of piggybacked the frames on the old Fargo. Got that one up there hanging. I'll come back and put some padding on the straps.